How to change Instagram password. Open the Instagram app. Click the profile icon at the bottom of screen. Click the three lines at the top of profile. Click Settings and Privacy. Click on Account Center. Click on Password and Security. Now click at Change Password. Click on your profile. Now write the old password here. Also write new password. Again, type password. Click on Change Password. Now your password has been changed successfully. Go back to your profile. You can change your password even you forget your password. Click at your profile. Now click on three lines at the top. Go down. Click on Logout. You can log out from specific account. Go back to Instagram. Click on Sign In. Go to your profile again. Click on three lines. Click on Settings and Privacy. Go Account Center. Click on Password and Security. If you forget your password, just click on Forgot Your Password. An email sent to your Google account to reset password. Just go to Mail. Recover password. Now enter your new password. Now enjoy using Instagram. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.